Welcome to Mindful Mentors 12. Today, we're diving into the future of work and exploring how you can future-proof your career by mastering the top skills of 2025. With AI and technology transforming industries, staying ahead means adapting and evolving. To thrive in this dynamic landscape, it's crucial to understand which skills will be in high demand and how you can start building them today. Let's uncover the top skills that will help you secure a future-proof career as we approach 2025. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Understanding AI and machine learning is becoming essential across industries. Whether you're in tech, finance, or healthcare, these skills are critical for analyzing data and automating processes. Data literacy. Data literacy involves knowing how to interpret and use data effectively. As businesses become data-driven, being proficient in data analysis tools like Python and R can set you apart. Digital and tech literacy. Familiarity with digital tools and platforms, including cybersecurity practices and cloud computing, is vital for navigating an increasingly digital world. Emotional intelligence and interpersonal skills. While technology evolves, the need for human-centered skills like empathy, collaboration, and communication remains irreplaceable in driving business success. Creative problem-solving. The ability to think outside the box and develop innovative solutions is prized, particularly as AI handles more routine tasks, leaving humans to tackle complex challenges. Adaptability and resilience. Embracing change and quickly adapting to new situations and technologies are crucial as the work environment continues to transform. Now that we've identified the key skills, let's explore how you can start building them today. Online platforms provide a wealth of resources, from beginner to advanced levels, allowing you to learn at your own pace and customize your education to fit your career goals. Start your journey towards a future-proof career today. Subscribe to Mindful Mentors 12 for more insights and stay updated on the latest skills and trends shaping tomorrow's job market.